Hey guys, it's me Cinnamon, and I'm coming back to you with a kitten play video. This is my first time coming out on my channel as like the gear that I have and everything like that. So I'm just going to give you a tour of where I keep my gear, what kind of gear do I have. I keep all my gear in this box. I have a pair of my ears on now. This is by Raspberry Kitten Boutique. They're lime green. I love them. I have ribbon to kind of tie you up. I have this collar that's just laying on top. This is my everyday collar. I have my cotton tracks, information about kitten play. I can give you an in-depth tour of this, but it's pretty much an in-depth tour of kitten play. It explains it so my partner understands it. I have the key and the lock to my collar. I have a tail. This is a detachable bow, so it's interchangeable. I have lickable body powder. I have the bag of my locks and keys. My kitten siding ears. They need brushed. Just some regular ears. I have these. These are my raspberry kitten ears. I have these ears. These black pairs of ears. I have blue ears with black tips on them, but they're not in the box. I have this bow for my tail. My cups aren't in here because I just washed them. I have candy. These are all my collars. So I have this one. This one. This one I made. And this one. This is my box of ribbon for my collars. I only wear my collars with locks. My binkies. I have a bow of a box that has all the extras that came with my collars, letters and stuff. But yeah.